overwhelmed. One thing about me, I can't shop in a physical store. I'm an online shopper.
Do it all in a around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking at it. Popping, scheming, do it. Hide your body, as long as you dreaming about ain't no problem.
Good morning, guys. I can't see the screen. I hope you guys can see me. The time is 7:30 a.m. It is a Wednesday. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelly, and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I don't think the lighting is good here. I took the brightness down. I hope I can't see the screen because if I like a judge. Oh, I want to take a bath now. I'm writing one, and honestly I feel like I get to be seal. I've been studying there, but what is hey banana? Oh, the lighting is so bad. So I want to remove this wig. When I'm I almost ripped it off. It is very itchy. I almost ripped it off in my sleep, so I'm gonna use this. Can you see? I got this from Take a Lot. It works, because I don't want to rip off my hairline. I had to kuza myself. Let me go do this by the mirror. I want you to see how good this thing is. Just like that. Just like that. I will cry if you guys can't see. This thing, it peel work all the freaking time. Okay. I'm definitely going to wash hair, Oh, look at the glue. I cannot glue. Oh, guys, I'm going to eat and wash so that I can look at these books and see what is really happening. Hey guys, it is a million years later. I'm about to leave. And I haven't worn them since last year. So I think I want to wear these shoes today. The time now is 12. So I'm writing in 30 minutes time. And I'm going to leave my phone because I've been trying to upload the vlog before this one. If you have not yet watched it, please go watch. And it's giving me problems, so I'm going to leave my phone. Maybe when I come back, it'll be sharp. Let me go right. Okay, start something. Can she? Okay, she's out. Can't you have another 7 eggs? It doesn't work.
Chicken with the bun. Yes, quarter chicken chips.
Hello. Hi guys. Today is Thursday. Is it Thursday? Today is Thursday. And remember they still haven't fixed it. I went to report to landlord. Anyway, we have a peer package. I'm so sad that winter is over, cold days are over, because I dislike summer or whatever, spring with all. Anyway, inside of this box was these two. Yeah. Okay, I will see you guys again when I'm very busy, guys. I have so many assignments and I'm writing, like, oh, I'm so busy, like, yo September, guys, I'm so busy. Yeah, I will see you guys. I'll probably vlog again tomorrow. I'll spend the whole day with you guys.
Attention team member, one team member documents. Report to
I'm trying to get an outfit for Friday, guys. I'm so overwhelmed. One thing about me, I can't shop in a physical store. I'm an online shopper. So, and everything that I saw online, I keep on. I love these kind of glasses, but finding ones that fit my nose shape, because yeah, can be quite tricky. Because I've never had like big glasses. Let me try that. I like the right. No. And I have no business looking at glasses because I need an outfit. And if I order now online, it will not be here by Friday. Guys, give up Friday. Because Saturday, not Friday. Karanka cancel. Let me stop fooling around. Oh, I like this. Very simple. wanna see or rather I wanna see when Nasi is online and yeah, I'm so over it. Tomazane ngazwani mira. Oh, and my hair. Hey. Malaka penna sa tsari guys, sa tsari ngas lo ke hle. The fact that Food Lovers is all the way on the other side of the mall is another thing. But I decided to go do groceries and then I'll come back to finish off shopping. And I think get the one dust. Yeah, okay, I'm on the other side. The mall is that side and I'm going that side. This sucks so much. Now I have to carry all these things back to the mall. Whew. And you could ready, son. I'm back. Let's go look for something to wear. And my phone is on 3%, so this might be the end of today's part. Anyway, I want to show you what I got yesterday. I didn't get an outfit. It seems I'm gonna have to. I got this cloth clip. I've been looking for this. I saw this and I was like, I'm not leaving them behind. I'm not leaving them behind. How cute are they? Yeah, that's all that I got. La bona khona outfit. I really I couldn't find anything. And I know someone would say, but Nelly, you went to a lot of shops. There was a lot of things everywhere, but nah, I don't know how to shop. And I had the outfits online. I don't know why I didn't order. No. I want to show you this. I'm very excited about this. As I'm showing you guys this, I will put the business poster here. Please let's support our girl. So she sent me these. I want to show you what's inside. It smells so good. So these are called candy ones. So they got the things like 15 rands. And then but I got 2 cups. And the cup is like so heavy. It's like really filled with a lot of goodness. And then these are heavy. These are also got these. So yeah, she's located here at University of Limpopo. You have delivery gate 1, gate 2 on campus, but also if you're not here, these can be delivered via Pexi, right? So please let's support our girl. She also sells these like in bulk. There's a 1,000 package. I'll put everything here. Pause and screenshot, please. Let's go do the most. I have to shoot content for TikTok. Also, if you have a small business and you want promo, let's talk. And please follow her on TikTok. Cute, right? Yeah. Guys, I'm in so much pain. I understand when they say women because the pain that I'm in, but did you see that? So seamless. Anyway, I want to make something to eat. I want to make pancakes, eat, bath. I don't know if I'm gonna go to campus because I woke up today and I was on the first freaking flight to Japan. Now all my plans are ruined, so I don't know. Hi guys, also Kirakile sunscreen there. This is the sunscreen that I use. Tell me why I bought it for 300 rands and this is like 225 or something. Anyway, I hate this season, by the way. It's hot, there's mosquitoes, my skin is about to start rotting. I hate this season. I'm done getting ready. My bag is packed. The other one is there. I drank these pills. Like, in my next life, I want to be a man. I want to be a boy. When I leave for campus. Hey guys, I'm ending the vlog here. It's the next day. It's not yesterday. I'm still wearing this thing, but it's the next day. The time is 17:25 and I'm having such a horrible day. I'm only getting out of bed now, but I've just been in bed. Grief is such a I'm going through the most horrible thing ever. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the family. I will see you guys and do right. Bye.